Right, so the first thing we're going to do is some test glides to see if we've got the proper incidence. That is the relationship between the angle of attack here and here. And of course we don't want to try the test glides with the stab up because that is the dethermalizer. So now the stab is down. And when you do these test glides, everything has to be in the airplane, ready to fly. So I've already loaded a motor in here, a rubber motor, and I've got the prop in, but it's not going to be powering it. And you generally toss it about 5 degrees down and look for somewhat of a level glide. So I have never tossed this before. It's either going to stall or it's going to dive, but we'll make some adjustments to the incidence of this stab depending upon what we see here. So here we go. Actually not bad. So let me throw it again.
Mike.
All right, so we'll do another test glide here. Well, actually it looks pretty good. I think we can put some power in now. See what happens. Okay, so I put in 100 turns, and this will be the first powered flight. You want to start out real low and then gradually work up the ladder. So I'm close to the phone, and my wife's doing the video, so if there's any problems, we'll blame her.
Thanks a lot.
And I'm going to walk out here and just give it a toss. Okay, so it seems to be in basic stability. Looked like it was turning left. I need a little bit more power, so I won't make any changes on the flight surfaces. I'll just put in maybe 200 turns this time and see what happens. I've got about 2 degrees of right thrust, so that should pull it right, but we may have to adjust the stab if the fins are not inducing enough right turn. All right, so I've put in 200 turns. I haven't made any adjustments to the flight surfaces. I need to see more, and there's about a half knot, 1 knot breeze, so I'm going to launch into the breeze to make sure I don't have any crosswind effects. So here we go. And we flew into the barbed wire, which is not desired.
Now.
Last time it turned left, it's supposed to turn right. So I need to get some rudder in here to get a right turn. And I was going to put a shim in, but it turns out there was a shim on the wrong side. So I used acetone, removed that shim. Now I have a tiny bit of left, actually right rudder. It's going to go right with these 2 fins, hopefully. If it goes straight, I'm in for a long hike. And also, this is another 200 turns on the motor.
Where'd it go?
fences.
Yes, it does.
So you can see it's magnetically attracted. Well, this was not a good outcome. It hit the post. So I may have enough material in my flight box to repair this. If not, then we're going to have to repair it at home and continue the trimming another day. But the flight pattern you just saw is what's desirable, about a 100-meter diameter right turn circle. That was only about 200 to 250 turns. I was hand winding, so I don't have an exact count. Caught a couple of bumps from thermals there, but anyway, that's it for now.